Welcome to this tutorial on creating a stunning logo using Adobe Express. Let's dive right in and explore the simple steps to craft a professional logo. Step 1. First, go to the website Adobe Express Create.com or open Adobe Express and click on Create Now. This will take you to the project selection screen. Step 2. Enter business information. Before customizing the design, enter the name of your business and the industry it belongs to. This information will help you tailor the logo to your specific needs and ensure it aligns with your brand identity. Step 3. Choose your style. Select style from the available templates. Adobe Express offers a variety of customizable templates to choose from. Pick one that suits your style or the theme of your logo. Step 4. Choose an icon. Next, choose an icon that represents your business. Click on the Icons tab and browse through the extensive library. Select an icon that complements your business name and industry. Once selected, you can resize and position it on your canvas. Step 5. Choose a logo to customize. Browse through the available logo templates and choose one that closely matches your vision. Once selected, this template will serve as the base for your custom logo. Step 6. Adjust colors. Adjust the colors of your logo elements to match your brand's color scheme. Use the Color Picker tool to select precise colors or input hex codes for exact matches. Step 8. Download. Once you're happy with your logo, see how it looks in different contexts. When you're ready, click Download to save your logo. Why? And that's it. You've created a professional logo using Adobe Express. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.